Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.